How to send disappearing photos on Instagram. Now, in order to send disappearing photos on your Instagram, you just simply need to open the Instagram app at very first, and after opening the Instagram app, you just simply need to go over your messages section. Now, after going in the messages section, just simply open any of the chat where you would like to send a disappearing photo. For example, let's open this group right here. Now, in order to send a disappearing photo, you just simply need to tap into your camera icon, and then you need to either click an image or you can select the image from your gallery if you want to. Now in my case, I'm just gonna click one image to show you, and after you have clicked or selected your image, you are gonna see this icon into the bottom left corner. Tap into that icon and you can see the option of view once. Select view once and tap to send button, and the picture will be sent as a disappearing photo on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.